All right, to prepare for our tire rotation, we need to set it to off-road mode, all-terrain, and highest ride height. So I've already done that. So now if we go into settings, we can go to service and tire change mode. So just make sure you're in park, switch into drive mode to all-terrain, and choose the highest ride height. So we have done that. We can turn it on and turn that on. And now we are in tire change mode. All right, this should be everything you need. You need a screwdriver to pop off little panels in the bottom if they're stuck. You need jack pucks. These are just standard jack pucks from Rivian. These are from Amazon. A torque wrench and a 22 mil socket. So yeah, along with jack stands and a jack, obviously. All right, so underneath the car, there are these round little circles. You may need the screwdriver to pop it off, but oh, maybe not. If you pop that off, that is where your jack puck goes. All right, that is one side done. Now I will do the other side, but I won't bore you with that details. Now that the tire rotation's done, the last thing you need to do is just reset your tire reminder. So you come into service, scroll down to wheels and tires. It's got total mileage since last rotation. We are just going to hit reset on that and reset it, and it'll remind us every 12,000 kilometers. So yeah, I didn't do the first one because I got it used at 18,000 kilometers, but I did the second one around 24,000, maybe just a little late. And then, yeah, we're almost at 36. So, yeah, that is about it. All right, so that is a wrap on the tire rotation. I was able to swap the tires out and give her a wash. So she's all clean and shiny and ready to go. We should be potentially going to Whistler next week, so she'll get dirty again. But, yeah, that's all for the tire rotation, and you guys have a good day.